For mechanical reasons, I ended up with 8 meters high and 2 meters wide. It's a rectangle, and for some reason they call these long things, under the trail, they call them the almost about it. But yeah, and it's mid-test on the bottom wire.
Right, Nathan, right, you've got 71E, and what was happening is it was all the audio was really raspy, as you know, and weak signal coming in. What's happened is one half of your bridge rectifier had gone open circuit. Okay, so you were only getting halfway of rectification. So you get a slightly lower voltage getting in from the power supply to the radio, plus that hum was because it was not a full wave rectification. Anyway, I've replaced that, but I have noticed a couple of things, right? This knob here seems to have been glued in the past. I don't know why, but I've freed it off and I've put it back together again. Now I could replace the whole thing if you wanted me to. Let me know. The other thing was this control here, audio control. Watch this. I've just been able to turn that all the way around. Now, it'll stop there, it'll get a little notch there. I think what's happened is during transit, it's been hit on in the box. It's been knocked and it's been pushed in. I could pull it all apart and try and put it back together again or replace it, but it's not faulty. It's just a little bit rough as you turn it up and down. But the notch for maximum is gone. It still works as a volume control, but it's up to you. You let me know what you think yourself. The radio's working fine. That's all it was just this bridge rectifier. But yeah, either because when I opened the box, this knob was off. It was actually off altogether. There was a little plastic. There's a little plastic spacer in there, but it had been glued. Now I've just glued it back on again, right? But trying to find these controls for these radios is going to be quite difficult. I'll need to maybe try Reinhard at Hi-Fi SSB or something to try and replace them. But it's not as if they're faulty. It's just they're kind of rough. So let me know what you want to do. But the radio is working great now. That's all it was just let me see. Change the band to 10. See what's happening. Sideband nice. Typically all the bands are quiet, aren't they? It's just damn typical. So that's with the preamp off, you know. Preamp on. Attenuator. So it's definitely receiving just fine. But the raspy old audio is down to your bridge rectifier. Anyway, sorry for the sort of hoo-ha in the video, but hopefully you can see it now. It's all working as it should. But let me know about those controls. Cheers, buddy. Bye now.